Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm gonna share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're gonna do a quick and in-depth review of BeBodyWise Advanced Hair Growth Serum Roll. So it is basically a serum roll that will help you to volumize your hair and thin your hair. And they claim that their product is based on the natural products. And if you see at the list of ingredients, the rosemary, the 3% redensil, and 2% anagen. So these are the ingredients that have actually scientific backed research results, and it helps to DHT blocking scalp serum, boosts oxygen flow and reduces the hair fall, and it is preferable for both men and women. Now let's dive in and take a look like what are the reviews of the people who have bought this product. So you can see this product is available on Amazon, which is a good green flag, because as you can see, like, Amazon has the actual reviews from the people who have bought the product, which is a really good thing that they have authentic reviews, and people have rated it 4.5 out of 5, and which is based on the overall 5-star rating and 206 reviews, and 8,000 plus people have bought this in the past month, which is also a green signal. So this $35 BeBodyWise rosemary hair growth serum actually worth it or not? Now let's dive deeper. So if you look at this website here, you can see the reviews of people who have bought this product. So you can see like there are a total of 2.4k reviews, and almost they are based on 4.8 ratings. So overall ratings is really good, so it's 4.6 based on 2,386 reviews. And if you just dive deeper and see, like, the people are really good with this serum because it actually absorbs in the scalp and doesn't make your hair look dizzy, so which is a really good part. And if we try to look for the BeBody's reviews on the Trustpilot website, so this is basically a vitamin and supplement store, and they have a 4.8 rating, which is based on 222 reviews. So this is also an excellent score. So in conclusion, I would say like this product is actually backed by scientific research, and based on the reviews, this is a really good product to buy and try on. So I hope this review was helpful for you. If you guys want me to review any other product, just do let me know in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching the video, and hope to see you in the next one.